review, and this time I ordered this AJAZZ Pudding PBT Keycaps for my keyboard. So if you noticed, I've remodeled my desk recently, and this is the last one of my orders. Actually, I have one more coming that I'm gonna review for my desk setup. It's more about productivity and just basically improving my setup. So this is my old keyboard, and you will see there's a lot of gunk here now, a lot of hairs. I need to clean this, but if I need to clean this, I can't use my keyboard afterwards. This one is from Royal Kludge. So it has a lighting on the sides, right? And I'm gonna change the keycap for this one. So for now, I'm just gonna show you and unbox this one, which is a very popular product from AJAZZ. It's the PBT Keycap, and it's the box, as you can see here. I'm just gonna change the focus a little bit. So it's written here, all the details there. That is the back side. This is the one the other side. And that's it. Basically, that's what you see in the box. So the box that came with mine, I think it was checked because it's kind of opened up already. So no matter, it has no stickers, but I'm sure it's gonna be okay inside. So it comes with another plastic right here, and keyboard puller. That's a good thing. I usually have the little ones, which are shaped like an O with a tooth, but this one looks way better, right? So it's a good thing they added in with the package, so it's easier for me to pull out the keycap. So I'm going to replace that one later on and show you how it looks afterwards. And these are the actual keys. I chose white because my setup is white. So they call it a PBT keycap. And one of the good things about it, let me show you an example. They also included a guide. There you go. It's 108 keys keycap, and will fit 104 and lower. It also fit 100 key keycap. It means it has an additional 4 keys, which I have in mine, as you can see there. So I was worried at first it wouldn't fit my keyboard because my keyboard is from Royal Kludge and this one is from AJAZZ. So as you can see there, a couple of layouts, but I'm gonna show you on the video later on how it finally looks. But it came with this Ziploc container. I would have loved it if it was in styro kind of foam box like it usually comes with, but this is how it looks. The space bar, that is how it looks at the bottom there, right? So you know the quality, okay? And these are for the single keys. Right, let me focus on a little bit. Okay, these are the single keys. So why I chose this, it has higher luminance area. My original keyboard is shorter, as you can see on the side here, right? So it doesn't really illuminate so much, but on the top it illuminates. So I will replace it, and you see a lot of gunk there. So that is how it looks now. I'm just gonna pour this one out, and then I'll show you once I'm done with my replacement of the keycap. Alright? Okay, so I finally pulled out the keys, the old keys. So I'm ready to replace it. But first, as a bonus tip here, there are a few things you need when you're cleaning up your keyboard. And as you can see here, there's a lot of hair, right? Gunk all over the place, right? It's pretty dirty. So there are a few things you need before you clean up your keyboard. So it's gonna be first this keycap puller, then a paintbrush, preferably the one that is in brown, because it's softer, the bristles are better. And then there's the Giottos. This is my old Giottos rocket blower. It has proven to be useful. And then a micro wipe cloth. And finally, you will need a vacuum cleaner. Okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up. So when you start, you first have to brush the hairs off, right? You brush the hair off, right? Make sure that it's brushed. right? So that's what I'm doing now. I'm showing you how you brush it, right? Make sure that it doesn't drop inside the keyboard holes there. So brush it on the side first before brushing it to the bottom, right? So make sure you do this, and then afterward, for example, in this area, once you've cleaned this area, just go and use this rocket blower to blow off everything. Or you can pull the keycap or the keyboard or the keys. You can pull them out because this version is hot swappable and you can clean it individually. But for now, I'm just gonna blow each one of this, and then afterwards I'm gonna wipe the surface around it. So that's how you clean, and then after that you're gonna go and vacuum everything underneath. Alright, so that's the process in cleaning your keyboard. I hope it helps someone to prepare on maintaining their keyboards. So let me proceed later on and show you once the keyboards are attached. So here you go, guys, it's finished. I'll try to put this side by side with the previous one, and as you can see the difference, now it looks like it's floating, right? So yeah, so there you go. So in case you want to look for another keycap for your 108 keys, I'll have you know one of the things that are not here anymore are the shortcut indicators here. So we previously have from F5 to F8, there are play, pause buttons and stop buttons here for your playback. F9 is search and F10 is the favorites, and a few switching icons from F1 to F4. So those are the ones that are not here in the AJAZZ version, because this one is Royal Kludge branded keyboard. And then there are no shortcuts anymore for the controls of the lights, so that's what's different. But I like it better. I memorize all of those keys, and it's just clean looking like this. So I like a clean looking keyboard. So that's it for the review of this AJAZZ Pudding PBT Keycaps that is colored white. They have black for this one. And continue to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.